Hi everybody, this is Keith Stroud from Network World, and we're talking with Rene. He's the CEO of ROCCAT, and they have some really cool gaming keyboards if you're into the whole PC gaming stuff. But what we're going to see here is the ROCCAT Series keyboard, which can be used for just regular keyboarding things. But if you want to be cooler in the office, check this out. Rene, tell me some of the really cool features of this keyboard.
Okay, this is a mechanical keyboard which will be available in all popular switch colors you want to have. But the very new thing to a gaming keyboard is what we call the per key lightning. So you basically decide by yourself. All of the application will decide. All the game will decide which keys will light up. So it's powered by two ARM core processors, and one is responsible for making this nice kind of light effects happening, and the other processor is just making sure that the keyboard works in real time. So just give you a short demonstration. This is like a gaming setup, like WASD. You see your macro keys. Maybe you want to go with your arrow keys, but you can also like change or invert this within a second if you just want to only see the keys which you don't touch. If you're in an application like Windows, you want to know what kind of modifier keys you have on your Windows. It basically shows you. If you're in an application like Photoshop, just want to see what kind of modifier keys you have. Press Alt Control, whatever you want, function keys, only the function keys will light up. There's another cool thing is, because we have this kind of per key lightning, is it can have like randomly light. So you can see this is some kind of a screensaver mode we did. So it will randomly basically change the light. What's very cool is
change those lights again. I think I didn't catch that. So random lights will just pop up.
Yeah.
If you're not using the keyboard.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's like a screensaver kind of thing. You know this.
And then you've got a large jumbo rest wrist. So
yes.
All the people that tend to need those. Yeah. And then talk about the thing where this surface is smudge free, or
it's smudge proof. Yeah.
Smudge proof. Yes.
So it's what we did is usually you have a problem on glossy surfaces where whenever you touch them you have a kind of fingerprint. So what we do is we separated this in very small little glossy dots, and whenever you touch now it stays like very clean.
And then audio jacks. You got some audio.
We have audio jacks over here. Yeah, we have USB plugs over here. We have a fully integrated channel system, cable channel system on the bottom. So yeah. This is maybe the biggest mechanical keyboard ever.
And you're going to have three versions. There's like a Pro version and then some other basic versions, right?
Yeah, we have Pro, which supports this per key lightning. We have a Glow version, which is like fully glow. Yeah. And we have an entry-level kind of version without any lights. So whatever you have in your pocket money is $99. Starts from $99 for the entry-level one.
And the Pro level goes up to
like $149.
Yeah, that's pretty good for one of those gaming keyboards.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Rene.
Yeah, you're welcome.